So how long have you been here? How long have you lived here?
I have lived in this area, you might say, in Norwood, in the Norwood area for 82 plus years. There were miners in Telluride. Telluride was a big mining town, and also on the Ouray side. And some of the miners in Telluride, they decided they weren't getting enough wages, so they struck. So then a lot of the guys on the Ouray side, they wanted to come over and work. Well, so the guys, the ones that struck in Telluride said, no, you scabs are not coming over here, you know. You stay your own spot over there. So in actuality, they sent the National Guard up there on top of Ivogene Pass, you know, to keep these two parties apart.
I feel